Hi, I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom. Hey, we all have lots of plastic containers and lids, don't we? We have Rubbermaid, we have Tupperware, all the brands usually. And you know what? Everybody complains that they can never get the right lid to match the container. Some are squarer, some are rounder, and they struggle, and here's why. You're storing them wrong. You're putting them in the cupboard where the lids are all together, and then these, you're trying to stack these and stuff. Let me tell you a couple of things you need to know. First of all, you don't need more of these containers than will fit in your fridge, right? You only have so much space, and it's not like your entire fridge is these plastic containers. You've got, bottles of orange juice or whatever else is in there. So you only need a few of these. Cut down on how many you have, and then when you store them in your cabinets, store them with the lids on. Done up tightly, nice and clean, nice and dry, and then when you need one, you have it and the lid. You save time and rummaging, and it looks neater and nicer in your cabinets as well. So put the lids on before you store them away. I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom. Hey, scroll through here for lots of life hacks and visit my website, jonihilton.com. See you next time.